Welcome students. For doing exercise 1.2, we must know the three things. First one, the theorem 1.2 and what do you mean by rational number and what do you mean by irrational number. First we see, without knowing this, we cannot do exercise 1.2. So we can't understand that problems in exercise 1.2. So first we see theorem 1.2. If a prime number p, take that prime number as p. P divides a squared, then P divides a also, where a is any positive integer. If we take some prime number, if P divides a squared means what it means? P is a divisor, a squared is a dividend. So we have to put a squared up and the p is down. So if we take some prime number, if we take the prime number as 3, we can take 3. If 3 divides 81, 81 is 9 square. So because now we can cancel each other. So this implies 9 divides 3 also. So in the same way, if we take another prime number 2 means 4 squared, 2 divides 4 squared. Then 2 divides 4 also. So this is the theorem they are saying that if a prime number divides a squared means then it also divides a. Next we see what is rational number. Rational number means first of all we must know what is the basic number system. The first number system is natural numbers. Natural number means what? N. N starts from 1 to and it's going on. And then the number system is whole number. Whole number system is start with 0, it goes on. And then we are having the number system as integer. Integers have both positive integers and negative integers it have. And then we are having the rational numbers. So what do you mean by rational numbers? Rational number is nothing but any number can be written in the form a by b, where a comma b belongs to the integer set and b never be 0. So it could not be 0. So if it could be 0 means it become the number infinity. That is not defined a number. So that's why they are saying the condition that b not equal to 0. So the rational number is a number which can be written in the form a by b, where a, b belongs to the integer. For example, if we see any number 6 by 7. So 6 by 7, here 6 and 7 are belongs to each other and 7 is not equal to 0. So this is a rational number. In the similar way, we can write what we can write 2 by 3. So 2 comma 3 also belongs to digit and 2 and 3 is not equal to 0. So these are the rational number. Any number we can write it as a by b form, then it is called a rational number. So next we are going to see what is irrational number. So irrational number means a number is called irrational number if it cannot be written in the form a by b, where a and b are integers and b not equal to 0. So cannot be written. Now what are the numbers cannot be written? We must know. So we know that pi. Do you know pi is what number? Is it a rational number or irrational number? Let us check. We already know that pi is 22 by 7. For the calculating sake, we are taking as 22 by 7. But exactly, it is not true. Because if we write 22 by 7 means then it is a rational number. But pi is we can write 3.14 up to it goes on. Because pi is a irrational number. So pi is a irrational number means what it means. Irrational number means it cannot be expressed as a form a by b. We already done some problems with decimal numbers, because we just now I write that 6 by 7 is a rational number. So 6 by 7 can be written. We can divide 6, 7. So it is not divide. So we can put 0 and 0 here. 9 7s are 8 7s are 56. So remaining is 4 0. 1 7 is 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, 4 7s are 28, 5 7s are 35. So remaining is 5. So it is 0. 5 0 means we can write how many 7 is 15. 7 7s are 49. So remaining 1 0. 1 7 is 7. Again remaining is 3 0. What is 3 0 means? 4 sevens are 28. Remaining is 2 0. 2 sevens are 14. Remaining is 6 0. 8 56. 4 0 5. So again we are coming to these terms. These terms are again we get repeating. So if the terms decimal in the decimal form, if the terms are repeating in a certain manner, then it is called a rational number. If it is non-repeating, infinitely many terms, non-terminating decimal numbers means, then it is called a irrational number. Okay, can you clear that what is rational number and irrational number? Rational number means it can be written in the form a by b, where a b belongs to z and a b not equal to 0. That means in a decimal form we can say that it must end with some terms. If we write the form in this mean, if it is converted as a decimal number, it can be end with some terms. That is, it must be terminating. Then it is called a rational number. If it is not terminating, non-repeating, and infinitely many terms going in non-pattern way, then it is called a irrational numbers. In the later on standards, you have to study the irrational numbers, pi, e function, and a root function, everything. So that are all irrational numbers. Thank you.